If you know where the market is going, you will not need to panic. If you know what the market is doing currently, you will be well positioned and be at peace and be confident to wait for it and then take your trade. Most times, why what causes many traders to be fearful, uncertain, and then end up losing trades is because they do not know what the market is doing currently, and they do not know what direction the market seems to be heading. All right, I will be dealing with this in today's trade and profit outlook. I am Imane Khan. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share content around forex trading, cryptocurrency, how to earn in dollars online, and everything that has to do with wealth building ideas and opportunities. So if you like such content, make sure you hit on the subscribe button if you haven't done so, if you are not yet my subscriber, and then hit on the notification bell icon so that when I make new videos, you will be notified immediately. If you are already a subscriber, welcome and thumbs up. Okay, so here we have volatility 50 index. What is the market doing currently? It is very, very clear. The market has been in an uptrend. Look at this. See where we are coming from? See where we are coming from all the way here, and see the market keeps making higher lows and then making higher highs. Are you seeing that? Okay, so far the V50 market is in an uptrend. So this uptrend will be invalidated. My invalidation point will be when this market breaks, or if this market breaks and closes closes below this point here. If this market breaks this level and then closes below this point here, then I will switch my bias to sell. But so long as this market remains above this point here, it's a buy for me. All right, it's a buy for me. Now, if market is able to break this level here, it's equally going to call for is an indication. My antenna will be at alert. Okay, I will be more alert if I see price come within this region. Not a total change of bias anyways, but then it will signify a possible change of bias, because if price is able to break through this point and gets here, there's a high chance or probability that it might break this point as well. And once that is done, I'll change my bias. So far so good. The market is in an uptrend, and what are we going to be looking for? We're going to be looking for price to come back into this region here. All right, when price comes back into this region here, then we take our trade. All my students in the MTC community, they know how to take trades. When price gets here, we know what to look out for. There are certain conditions. In fact, we have about 3 entry models that we utilize to enter trades when price gets here. So you don't just enter trade blindly because price is here. No, there are certain things you have to look out for, certain confirmations you need before you pull the trigger. All those are stuff that I have taught in the TMC course. All right, if you want to get that, you can always I'll leave the details in the description so you can lay your hands on that. All right, so that is that for the V50 market. That is that for the V50 market. Now, if you are skilled, you can trade this back into the zone. All right, you can trade that back into the zone. So even though the market is in an uptrend, you can now do a counter trend back into that zone. All right, all the way right here, you can do a counter trend back into the zone and make some money before the market starts going in the other direction as well. Let's look at another market. Another market I like to look at is Sept index. Let's see what Sept index has been doing. And I would like to, okay, let me set my, okay. So without too much analysis, you will agree with me that Sept index has been on a heavy downtrend. When I mean heavy downtrend, I mean heavy downtrend. Is very obvious and almost visible to the blind. Okay, so here is the recent price action that we are interested in. This is the recent price action we are interested in. What do we see here? We see that price came to take out this low here, marked with a short purple horizontal line. Price took out that low. When price took out that low, price took out that low here. Excuse me. Price took out that low here and rallied up. We expected that as price began to rally down, it should have come to take out this other low that has been created, but it failed to do so. It failed to do so. It failed to do so. Instead, it stopped right here. Are you seeing that? It stopped right there and then began to move back upward. So we are still in a sell market. We are still in a sell trade trend or a downtrend. Nothing has changed yet. I will be invalidating my sell trend should the market on the weekly time frame comes to take out this high here first of all, and then this one will be a more surer confirmation. All right, if price doesn't take that high out, I will be sitting on my hands and waiting for more sell opportunities. Is that straightforward? Okay, then let's see if we can look at one other market. Let's see if we can take one other market, V10. What is V10 doing? Let's look at V10 from the D1 time frame. Okay, so on the D1 time frame, we see that V10 is heavily bullish, and then to confirm the bullishness, see what it did. It came right here and took out that recent high. That recent high has been taken out. So we are looking at price coming into this region, anywhere in this region, for us to take our buy trade. But remember, you shouldn't just take a buy trade because price has played into this region. Okay, it might be heading for a break of structure. You never can tell. So make sure you are using a strategy that helps you get into the market with good confirmations. All right, good confirmations before you pull your trigger, because in TMC we have confirmations that we'll look out for. Once we see them, we'll take our trade. All right, so if you're not using TMC, make sure whatever you're using, it gives you good confirmation. Otherwise, I'll advise you hop in and get your hands on TMC and then start balling with us. For example, here's what we did. I got this yesterday. Let me show you. I remember sending this signal to the TMC community. All right, this is our TMC signal room. Okay, I sent this particular signal V10. All right, and it played out just as we expected using TMC. Look at it. Keep eyes here. Okay, keep eyes here. I sent that to all TMC users, and then this is playing out currently already. And I mixed some good cash from here. Still expecting that it gets to that region. All right, then for yesterday, this is what we did yesterday. All right, it was the opening trade for the month of September, and this was what we did, turning $9 into $179. Now that's what TMC does for you. It helps you to flip your account. All right, and you can trade TMC even with as low as $10. All right, you can trade TMC with as low as $10. All right, so as at the time I gave that call, we were somewhere here. We were somewhere around here. I think somewhere around here by the time I gave that call on the V10. And then for the V25, let's see where we are at. For the V25, yes. For the V25, when I posted that signal, V25, we got in here, right here. It was around here that we got in. And then we are still moving to get to this region before we look for our confirmations, and then we'll pull the trigger. All right, so that's that for your weekly outlook. These pairs that I've analyzed, these assets I've analyzed, you can follow this analysis and cash in on them and make yourself good money for this week. Till I come your way again next time, remember to like this video, please share it so that more people get to see this video. I am putting this out for free, and this can make you real good money. So please don't keep the information to yourself. Make sure you share it out and let other people benefit as well and make money for themselves. Till I come away again next time, I remain your friend, Emmanuel Account. Keep winning. Jesus is the Christ. Hallelujah.